The other day I received a very unique compliment. A person from a non-commerce background came up to me and he said that, "Ma'am, it's because of you that I have started paying higher taxes." Basically, he had learnt the art of investing by watching all my lectures. Well, if he can, why can't you? To start your investing journey, enroll now. Hey folks, Rachana Ranade here, and I welcome you all to today's Thursday live stream. What's wrong? What's wrong with this light today? Something is too much burnt. Okay, I think this is better. So today has been a long day for me. Started my first shoot today at 8 in the morning, but because it's Thursday, it always feels good to connect with you all to discuss about the markets. It's always fun, right? So very good evening to everyone. So without wasting time at all, let us get started. And today we are going to kickstart our discussion with technical analysis. So let me share my screen. So I'm just going to present. All right. Okay. So if you remember last Thursday, one point that I had discussed was about the RSI. If you remember, we had talked about RSI taking support at some level. Who can tell me what was the level that we were discussing last Thursday? That RSI in the uh, past few occurrences, it has taken a support at some level, and from there it has bounced back and whatnot. And I think we were even talking about a weekly level or a monthly. We did discuss about a daily level as well. If anyone can recall, absolutely 30 was the level that we had discussed, and that is what exactly happened. From the level of 30, it again bounced back, and all in all, I think it was a very nice recovery, right? So moving back to something other, so RSI, as discussed, it has given a nice recovery. Now, what is the scenario? Let's quickly understand. In the last, let me just pull it up for you again. Yes, it was not clear. So if you see here, this was the level of 31, 2, 3, 4, 5. And last Thursday, where were we? Yes, this is where we were, at the level of 39. And I said that maybe it may fall down a little bit, but from the level of 30, ideally it should bounce back. And this level of 30 happened on Friday immediately. And from the level of 32.91, it showed a recovery as expected. So feels good again when we try to do some sort of data analysis, and if the data analysis is honored, I mean if the data points honor the levels, feels very good, right? If you see last 2-3 days, here you can see 1, 2, 3, 4. There have been some good back-to-back bullish candles, green candles. And if you see here, I'm just going to quickly draw this line for you so that you understand. There was this gap down, not a huge gap down though. It was a gap down of approximately 150 points. But this gap down immediately has been filled in 4 or 5 trading sessions, and today it has convincingly closed above this level, right? Now, the big question is that if markets have moved upwards in the last 4 sessions almost, where could it see a resistance? Okay, now for that, let's quickly check out the pivot points. And if you see here, I'm just going to quickly zoom in. Here you can see that S1 is at 18,206. If you can hear crackers, there seems to be some wedding, and puja, maybe the place where you are attending the wedding, there are they bursting crackers or what? I can hear the noises still here. By the way, today, one like for Puja, she's at some wedding and she's doing the live stream from there, so that whatever links I ask her to paste, she's going to paste from that. And plus, biggest advantage is all relatives of Puja are going to say, what an amazing dedicated person, she's even attending the stream from the wedding and she's pasting all the links. So one like for Puja today, right? Okay, so with that, let us come to the support level, which was originally support, broke on 22nd of December, broke, and from there we have seen a recovery. But now, originally a support may now act as a resistance here. Okay, so 18,200 to be watched very carefully for the resistance. How about the 50-day moving average? Let's also try and check where it is, and that is at 18,253. So again, like I said, 18,200 as per pivot. Similarly, 18,253 as per the 50-day moving average. Now let us try and check what is at 200 days way lower, so makes no sense in 200-day moving average. But I hope you have understood the scenario for 50-day moving average. Now what we'll try and do, we'll try to do a Fibonacci retracement from this top to this bottom level that we saw a few days ago, and you will be able to see that this candle, today's candle, actually is a candle between two supports, one of 23% and one of 38%, actually covering the whole span. And here you can see that again 38% retracement. What is the resistance level coming at? Resistance level is again coming at what? 18,200 level only. So I hope you have understood that we tried to quickly analyze 2-3 key parameters, and all 2-3 key parameters suggest one same level. And what is that? The same level is of 18,200. So everyone note this down. If you see that yes, 18,200 is broken convincingly, and if you feel that the markets have closed above that and have sustained above that, then we may see markets going at a higher level. So I hope everyone has understood the key level that we have to check out for is 18,200, right? This was about technical analysis, a quick understanding of what's happening around the globe. If you have seen, there was this some sort of some, I forgot the word for that, but there was some wave that happened beneath the sea, and because of which the crude oil thing, the crude oil production slowed down a little bit. Plus, because of that wave that happened inside the sea, there was a cold, something like a tornado or whatever happened. And if you have seen some pictures of United States of America, it's very cold there. I did see some videos where it was very difficult for even cars to move on the road. All in all, not a very good scenario. So the demand for electricity has again shot up because of the cold weather blowing all around. So one the requirement of crude, okay, directly not correct. I mean, I can't say 100% correlation with electricity, but some way or the other it is going to be related, right? So again, let me repeat, no 100% correlation, right? But yeah, it was exactly, Nitin, you said it, it was a cyclone bomb. I forgot the word for that. So it is because of this that overall this demand is also increasing. Plus, if you know, the supply of this has also gone down a little bit. So now for that we have to understand what has been the level of crude since then. So again, I'm going to just quickly share my screen and I'm going to show this to you. Now, if you see from here, from the lowest point, that is 9th of February roughly, from here, what 9th of February? 9th of December, sorry. From here till here, of course, it has corrected a little bit, but if you see at the highest point, in a span of hardly what? 11 trading sessions, crude went up by almost 15%. It has cooled off a little bit, but this is what has happened in crude, which is one of the key commodities. It has spiked up, and that is not, of course, a very good sign for India, but it has not impacted the market as such. Nitin talked about the cyclone bomb, but yes, one important point. I hope you saw the video as well about the Santa rally. How many of you saw the video on Santa rally? Let me just put that as a poll. In the meantime, Pooja, if you can just quickly uh, paste the link of Santa rally video. The Santa rally video, and start Q&A. Start Q&A नहीं करना था मुझे. No, I did something wrong. Wait. This will remove all the questions. Okay. Wait. Add. Start a poll. Did you see the Santa rally video? That's the link for you. And ask the community. Chalo, I'm going to wait for 30 seconds. Quickly tell me, did you see the video or not? And would be happy to answer few of your questions if you have any. Chalo, fadafat. In the meantime, if there are any new members, let me welcome them. Till you give the yes and no. Hitu, Minoti, welcome to memberships. I think there were a few others as well, but right now I can see only these people. Uh, till you vote in the poll, only 423 people have voted. There are almost 1,500 people who are there in this live stream. Others, you can just ideally tell yes or no, right? Uh, Santa is just masquerading as bull. We want a big bull rally. Okay. Second thing I wanted to tell you all, the recent Zoom meeting that we conducted for those who are pro investors, not on the YouTube channel, but on my website, who are the yearly pro investor members. It was an amazing experience. We did a Zoom call. I started the live stream at 9 and we went on till almost 11. So at that time, many people had asked Rachana if you can do something so that we can also participate in the Thursday live streams. We can chat in the Thursday live streams. A simple solution that, because I talk to YouTube people, if I can give you directly some sort of membership, but that is not possible. So simple thing, what you can do if you also want to participate in the chats, you can just enroll for the student membership. So if you're a pro investor member on our website, Pooja, again, if you can just paste the link of our pro investor membership on our website, that those people can just enroll for the student membership. Okay, if you are enrolling for student membership on YouTube plus the yearly pro investor membership on our website, then there is a gap of just like you're just paying some 300 or 400 rupees extra, and in that you're going to get 4 Zoom meetings in 1 year, right? So I think that's actually way more valuable, right? So if you want, you can definitely check that as well. Why not involve those who are on pro investor members on YouTube? They started before website. I know, RA, of course YouTube was started before, but because they are not able to participate in the live stream, I think I have to give them some extra benefit, and for them it was the Zoom meeting that we had conducted. Share Zoom meeting recording for YouTube pro investor members. That is doable. I can share the recording for sure. Good suggestion. Pooja, if you can note down the suggestion, and we will try to figure this out. How can this be done in the office tomorrow? Please note this down. All right, I'm ending the poll, and surprisingly, still 40% people have not seen the Santa Rally video. This is surprising. If you have not seen the video, I think you should do that right away after the stream is over. Okay, and I'm sure you will understand what is the Santa Rally all about. And if you have any doubts, don't forget to post your questions in the comments section below. Chalo, any quick questions? Any quick questions so that I can take them on today? The market, I mean, I didn't have a lot of market data to talk about. Market seemed to be around that 18,200 mark right now. Once that is crossed, it will be fun to check out. Otherwise, I feel it may go to 18,200 again, kind of cool off, and so on and so forth. Okay. Chalo, before I take any questions, just one quick announcement, which is that the stock of the month for the month of January is going to be declared tomorrow, because 31st and 1st is a holiday. So on 30th, that is tomorrow, the stock of the month name is going to be declared. So just in case, if your pro investor membership has expired, don't forget to rejoin that. And if you want to go for a yearly membership, don't forget to enroll for that on our website, right? So everyone, please note this down. Tomorrow, stock of the month for the month of January. Okay, so in the meantime, someone was asking that if that level is broken, if 18,200 is broken, then what could be the next level for Nifty? For that, let me just quickly go back to the Nifty data, and I will show you what could be the next level. I'm going to quickly share my screen. Share screen. All right. Okay, so here you can see first support we can see at 18,036. Sorry, you can see at 18,036, and that is the round level of 18,000. Okay, so that is the immediate next support. Let's also try and understand what could be the next support with the help of pivot points. After 18,206, here we have directly 17,600, and that is what we had discussed on this Thursday. If you remember, I told you that this is broken, and I feel that we may march a little bit towards 17,600, that is what happened. And the low that it made was 17,780 almost. Of course, almost 100, 125, 150 points up from here. But it did go down and recovered very nicely. So keep a watch on two levels at the lower end, one of which is 18,000 round mark and the second one is 17,800, right? So these are the two levels that you have to watch out for. Acha, one more important point. We are at the end of December and starting January, we will be getting the Q3 numbers. So the new seasons, the new earning season is going to start. And the first ones to come up with the earning season is going to be IT companies. So it will be fun to see how the IT companies declare their results. That can be the next driver for the market. If IT companies come up with at least average kind of returns, then still I think that will be taken up as a positive thing by the market. Let's see. So next driver waiting for that, the Q3 results, right? Oh, Sherman was asking what could be the levels above 18,200. Okay. Once 18,200 is broken, if you want, I can also share my screen. It will be directly 18,500. If it convincingly stays about 18,200. If you see here, as per pivot points, the pivot itself is at 18,511. Okay, so after 18,200 broken upward convincingly, you may get to see 18,500 in charge. Okay, क्या बात है. Chalo, people are watching, are reading the blog. So happy to read that. Samir is saying New Year resolutions video, please. Blog was awesome. I am going to come up with New Year resolution related videos. So, of course, I hope everyone has hit the bell icon of the channel as well. And I hope you're watching the blogs, you're reading the blogs on our website. Again, Pooja, if you can quickly paste the link of the blog, that will be great. People will be able to go through the blogs as well. In the meantime, Sanket is asking about the TA and FA of Morpine Labs. Let me just pull up the TA at least first. Morpine Laboratories, NFC. Okay. Has seen quite a bit of rally. Its RSI is already at 64. Saw a big red candle that is almost 8.5% fall. Went down, recovering quite a bit. It is seeing some sort of recovery, but still not super convinced. Okay, I'll just quickly share my screen as well. So if you see here from the top, I'm going to quickly do a Fibonacci retracement from the top. This is the bottommost point, a little bit higher than that actually. 1 minute. Okay, this is the point. And if I were to zoom, here you can see the next resistance can come up at 43 and the lower point is at 35. Volumes are like crazy high in these 2-3 days. There must have been some news. I've not been tracking this share, but these are extraordinary volumes and it seems to have cooled off as well. So it went up straight 2-3 days. Most probably retail investors got trapped in this 1, 2, 3 straight, 37% up in 3 days. Fantastic. And then this candle is down fast and a lot of gains are already gone. So you'll have to check for some specific news, if any, and based on that, maybe you can decide whether to enter or not. Right now, seems very volatile, right? Infosys result is on 12th of January. Generally, Infosys, TCS, these are the ones who come up with the results first. Hi, Pooja is so proactive. माती किती खाते ते मला माहिती आहे, पण ते मी सांगणार नाहीये. ती फक्त प्रोएक्टिव्ह याचं कौतुक करणार आहे. Okay, good one. Right. Next one is technical analysis for Oro Pharma and overall pharma sector view. Okay, overall pharma sector view, we don't want pharma sector to be positive. Because, if you want pharma sector to be positive, we should not hope for another COVID wave. But first and foremost, you talked about pharma, and I can hear the ambulance right outside. Okay, wait. Uh, which was that? Oro Pharma. 1 minute. Oro. Aurobindo Pharma. Ah, ay, 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 ay. Like all pharma companies, this has also gone down by how much percentage from its highs? Almost 60% down. But it is at a good support level right now. 425 is a good support. Um, Let me just also check what is the 50-day moving average. It has breached that. 200 days moving average way below that. Oh my god, oh my god. No, I would not have entered even at this level. So would want to wait before I enter. Overall, pharma right now is not looking like super bullish. I am not really invested in that right now, so would want to wait instead. Good question. Is Tata Steel ready for another move? Also considering China easing COVID restriction. If you have watched my video for my investment for the next decade, Pooja, again you have some work. Investment for next decade. If you can paste the link of that video in the chat section. In that video, I've talked about Tata Steel, and I've told that slowly, steadily, when restrictions are eased out, and when we talk about the China plus one theme, it is going to be Tata Steel, which can be one of the beneficiaries. And yes, I think in the last few days, Tata Steel has performed well. Let me just check. Yes, almost 1, 2, 3, 4 last 3, 4 days may from the bottommost point till the topmost point, it's almost a 10% recovery. So it is definitely based on the China opening up theme. And this stock, if you are having a long term view, it is going to have some nice. Uh, I mean, it's worth. It would be worth watching it. Okay, Sachin says, I observe when RSI turns from 30, then it goes to 70 plus, and Nifty and Bank Nifty also moves up. Your views, please. Um, from 30, if it moves up, then it goes to 70 plus. Then for that, what we will do, Sachin, we will try and just see the exact data. I'm sharing my screen. We'll go to Nifty again. Okay, let's open up. So we are on Nifty data last 3, 4 days. Okay, shallow. So now if you see here, when it has touched 30, it has actually gone up till 60. Here to it went to till 80. From 30 it went up to 60. Right now the question is, from 30ish levels can it go up to 60? Good observation. Last 2, 3 points, last 2, 3 times it has happened, even a double bottom and then again up to 68. Many a times that has happened, even some sort of sideways. So it would be interesting to watch. We'll just mark these levels, right? Which was this point, alt V. From this 30 to this 60, alt V. Let's watch these points. What was the market high at that point in time? Oh, this was the all-time high. This was the all-time high of. Oh, could we be ready for another all-time high? Wait. Let me just again pull up. Let me just check how much percentage rise has taken place from this level to this level. So I hope you're understanding, from the level of 30 to 70. By how much percentage did Nifty go up? And from this 30 also to this 70, how much percentage Nifty has gone up? And then from here, it will be worth checking how much it may go up. Okay, let's try and do some fun analysis. From here to this level, almost 10% up. Okay. Now let's do the second analysis from this level to this level, almost at 12% up. Kya baat hai? And now, if we were to say 10% from this level to to this is too much to ask for, man. It'll go like up to 19,500 in that case, if it does. And won't I be happy? Definitely. If that be so, I removed everything. Wait. I didn't want to remove the indicators. Remove 11 drawings is what I can do. So wow, if that happens, I'll be super duper happy. 19th, I should have kept that as today's thumbnail. Can market hit 19,500? Who gave the super chat? Sachin, by the way, thank you for the super chat. Sachin, you should have told this to me before the stream started. I could have kept this as my thumbnail. Everyone would have watched. Can market hit 19,500 based on this analysis? Okay, just kidding. But good observation from 30 to 70. If that be so, let's see where market takes us. Sundar Rajan asks, will PSU banks continue the rally in the next quarter also? I feel that yes, the rally in the banks is not yet over. It of course will not be a straight up rally, but I'm definitely positive about the rally in the banking sector, and I feel it's not yet over for sure. Apollo Microsystems defense sector. I'll just quickly check out the technicals for that. Apollo Microsystems. It is doing well. It has taken nice support from the pivot. It potentially can go up to 300 rupees as per technical analysis. Plus, I'll quickly share my screen as well so that you understand the point that I'm trying to make. Here, if you see pivot is at 250, 300 is the R1, and if you see RSI is 60. Wow, plus MACD almost at a crossover stage. Here you can see almost possible in a day or two. As I mentioned, RSI is just about 60.27. Looks like a good one. It's above the 9-day moving average. It is above the 50-day moving average. It's way above the 200-day moving average. It is in super trend. How about the Bollinger Band? It has also crossed the mean. Looks like a good one. Looks like a good one. And what does it say? Issue? No, this is not today's news. असं कशाला माहिती दाखवलं काय माहिती. Even the volumes are, I can't see it because of this here. Can't see the volumes clearly, but overall looks good right now. Apollo Microsystems, and for those who are not understanding 100% what sort of technical analysis I'm doing, technical analysis is a course worth investing in. That will definitely increase your knowledge about how to do analysis of which can be a good time to buy, when to buy, uh, support levels, resistance levels. And for that, don't forget to check out my course. Again, Pooja, if you can just paste the link of the technical analysis course, will be helpful. Last 2 or 3 questions. No more super chats, please. Kirloskar Electric Company has given excellent breakout this year. Okay, let me just quickly check it out. Kirloskar Electric Company. A lot of back-to-back upper circuits and lower circuits. I don't like such companies here. If you ask about a recovery, it has. Let me just go with a longer duration. 1 minute. Monthly time frame I'll try and put up. It is a clear-cut case of a double bottom. I will show you. If I were to draw 1, 2, 1, 2, clear-cut case of double bottom. Even if I were to draw a trend line from here, sorry, if I were to draw a trend line from here to here, okay, and from the lowermost point till the neck, this is almost 822%. Okay, from here to this, potentially can see, as per technical analysis, it can go up to 103, but do a proper analysis. It is definitely a case of double bottom. I'm just worried about this last candle. It's like see, of course it has given a good run up from this level. It has just shot up almost 200%, and then it's a correction of almost 15%. But then at least I would want to wait till it retests still here. Correct. See, because if it has given a breakout above the neckline, I would want it to retest here and then go ahead for another bounce. So if I would have loved the fundamentals, which I don't know how the fundamentals of this company are, I would have waited till it goes to 250-ish levels again, and then I would have discussed, right? Then I would have thought of entering. Sorry. Jay, thank you for the super chat. No questions asked. I have JSW Steel for long term. It can be proxy for Tata Steel. Don't want. It's okay. It's okay even if you don't want to have two steel stocks in your portfolio. Absolutely fine. What about specialty chemical sector in coming days? Chandan, I discussed about the specialty chemical sector in absolute detail in my Zoom call, which I did with my pro investor members who have enrolled on our website. I will try and upload the recording of that as well. In that, you will be able to understand my complete detailed view on specialty chemical sector, right? Welcome to all new members. I know Shreya. I know that. January. New Year resolution. Elliott wave theory video. Okay, Bajaj, that's a fantastic company. Fantastic fundamentals. No doubts about that. Achha, similarly, I've observed that if it turns from 70 plus level, then it doesn't stop before it touches 30. Okay, interesting. All right, we are almost done, I guess. So, yes. Wow, today we took a lot of super chats, plus we took a lot of general questions as well. Felt amazing. And today, like I told you, I started my day at 8 in the morning. Plus, I also don't want to bother Pooja a lot. She's at uh, a function, but still she's attending the session. So that's teamwork, right? So with that, I think I would want to wrap up the session. I have given my market view, quick revision of the important levels, 18,200. Sharman, nothing much about macroeconomics today. There were no major events that came up. That was the reason why I didn't discuss anything about macroeconomics, right? Option chain also, again, similar data points, 18,200, 18,000. So whatever was seen as per technical analysis, similar points were seen as per option chain, and that was the reason why I didn't open up option chain separately. Okay, so quickly, 18,200 is what is the immediate resistance level. First support 18,000, second support 17,600. Above, if 18,200 is taken out, and if it sustains at that, then you may expect it to go up to 18,500 level. Sai Prasanna is asking any discount for code for F&O course. Yes, I will just quickly share that. This is one coupon code that we have done for Christmas, and I think the coupon code is going to expire either tomorrow or day after tomorrow. I think day after tomorrow, but I'm not sure. I'm sure it is valid till tomorrow at least. We had done this for the Christmas special. You can avail that. The coupon code is CARR, Santa. All right, I think I am done with all the key questions. Okay. I'm just trying to just go up the chats and see if I've missed anything. I think all done. I hope you enjoyed the stream. I hope you found some value in that. And till then, I'll see you on the next Thursday. Till then, take care. Jai Hind.